Okay, so as you can see, I need about $400 left to pass this eval. My sell limit is the exact amount which I need to get to pass this eval. I already have my trading stop loss at 1%. So worst case scenario, I'm ending the day today with a 1-to-1. And best case scenario, I'll just hold it till I pass the eval. So hopefully, it rejects from this 5-minute fair value gap here. But yeah, I'm obviously recording this while the trade is still going, but I'm gonna make a little recap video of exactly what I was thinking and looking at to take this trade. So coming into the day, I marked out my London lows, London highs, Asia highs, Asia lows, if there were any that were not tapped into. And then what my idea was is obviously just from what I see this fair value gap get disrespected here by this candle. We're already bullish on the hourly. And what I saw was obviously this liquidity here, which was London low, in line with this hourly fair value gap. And that's exactly what happened. So we went down, took all this liquidity here. Oh yeah, and I believe we formed a daily SMT with ES and NQ, as you can see, the green line. So putting everything together, NQ went down, swept out London lows, bounced off from this hourly fair value gap, and we had a very strong 1 minute inverse over fair value gap, as well as this one. So it was like a double inversion, as you can see here. So very strong bullish bias based off that. So I enter there, and that is pretty much it. I mean, what I was looking at on the 4 hour on ES, obviously we are bearish on ES, but we did have this double top here, which aligned with a London high, had this untapped Asia high. So wait, was it untapped? Yeah, so it was untapped when we went down, as you can see. So I was very bullish, which with all this low resistance liquidity here. So yeah, and obviously my TP is quite ambitious, but that's why I have a trading stop loss in profit. But my stop loss, my take profit aligns with this daily gap, which is also, I believe, with the weekly gap. Weekly gap is up here, but daily gap and the 4 hour gap, I believe. Yeah, there's a 4 hour gap here. It's all aligned with my take profit. So yeah, this has been running for quite a while. So yeah, we almost got taken out at break even here, as you can see, because I moved it to break even once London highs were taken out, just to be safe. And you can see I pretty much accepted break even day today when it was all the way down here, but then we had a nice reversal, and now we're floating. So hopefully we reject from this 5-minute fair value gap to go higher, and we might get funded today. But if not, it's all good. Our 1-to-1 is still healthy, a nice amount. So yeah, I'll still be happy with a 1-to-1. But obviously a nice pass of the eval would also be very nice. Yesterday I caught a nice short as well. I posted it in the Discord. If you guys are not part of the Discord, I'll show you in a sec. Okay, so this is my own personal channel in the Discord. I took these nice shorts yesterday on NQ targeting New York lows, which worked out perfectly well for me. Let me just try and see if I can actually find that. So I believe it was somewhere here. Yeah, targeting these New York lows. Perfect exit, as you can see, just moved up from there. I would have to put some time in to remember exactly reasoning, but it's all the same, guys. Like, I trade the same thing every time, I can't remember exactly what it was, but maybe we swept out this liquidity here, had a 5-minute inversion. Yep, this one here, very, very ambitious. I do remember actually entering here, and then it went into this 5 minute fair value gap, and once I saw another, I think it was like another inversion on the lower time frame, like maybe even on the 2 minute, I doubled down again, so I entered with 4 micros, and then I moved my stop losses to a structure point, so I'm still risking the same amount, you know. Okay, we're getting some movement here on ES. We just filled a 4-hour gap on ES. Let's see what happens, guys. I'll update you soon. Alright, so my trailing stop loss just got hit. Basically what I decided is once this new bullish 5 minute candle was created, just to move my stop loss just to this low here, because we were, you know, in pretty good momentum. Wouldn't be surprised now, you know, after we took this liquidity from this 5 minute fair value gap, just to keep shooting out as manipulation, but absolutely does not matter. You can see we're kind of just chopping around now. Even if it does go all the way, I'm still happy with this. We got a 1.83 R today, so that's so chill. I need like, what's that, like 383 or something like that, $383 or something until I pass this eval. So yeah, that's so chill, very doable. Another W, another day, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Gonna hop off the charts. I've got some American football training later today, so looking forward to that. I've got food poisoning as well, so just drinking lots of liquids. Just had a paracetamol so my head doesn't hurt. So yeah, just gonna try and rest up. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. And yeah, make sure to join the Discord that I trade in every single day, or most days. If you guys want to trade alongside with me. And yeah, I'll leave that. I'll leave the link in the description below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.